Welcome to Acumatica Summit 2026. The pace of change, it's accelerating, creating new possibilities, new ways to innovate, new ways to get results. There's always another idea coming.
We're well into the intelligence revolution, and Acumatica is reshaping the ERP from a system record to a system of intelligence.
We are building Acumatica to be the digital replica of your business. Think of it as a digital twin, a digital version of your physical business with all of the different elements combined.
There is no substitute for human-to-human contact. There just isn't. And Summit is a great way where you can interact if you're a new customer or potential customer. It's a great way to come talk to people to start really comprehending what the software is capable of.
Networking, meeting people on the floor, working with partners, working with customers, and just kind of having that face-to-face opportunity. Yep. The more conversations we can have, the better.
The energy, the excitement, just seeing that many people in the room being excited to be here.
Acumatica.
Building the future of business
Together.
Together.
Building the future of business together.